Welcome to Preen's new AFV introduction video, an advanced version of our AFV series, high-power programmable AC power source. AFV series comes with higher output range and greater stability. The output power is up to 2000 kVA in one unit. The output voltage increased to 310 volts. And the output frequency has enhanced to 120 Hz as standard feature, which can also reach up to 500 Hz with optional function. Moreover, the PWM technology has enabled AFV series to offer precise test solution. The total harmonic distortion of AFV series can be smaller than 1%, while delivering high-quality pure sine wave. The 7 inches touch screen can set the parameters and display the real-time values with 3 phase each, making the operating so much easier. AFV supports comprehensive communication interfaces, such as RS-232, RS-485 and Ethernet. Users can also choose optional GPIB and USB according to their needs. AFV series is equipped with the easy-to-use power switch and emergency stop button, to ensure the safety when operating the machine. The built-in programmable step and ramp functions can simulate standard or abnormal power status of different countries. Users can set output voltage, output frequency, and running time via 24 and 12 built-in memory groups of step and ramp functions, which can cycle up to hundreds more times. AFV series provides several optional functions for users. 3-phase independent adjustment function allows users independently adjust voltage of each phase. Therefore, AFV can test up to 3 units of single-phase loads at the same time. Phase angle adjustment is a function which users can adjust the phase angle for each phase between 3 phases to simulate phase shift for different power conditions. Then it comes the soft start function, which can effectively reduce the starting current of motor load, providing reliable performance and expanding the lifespan. The overload capacity function allows AFV to endure up to 125%, 150% and 200% of the current overload. This function can easily activate machines with inrush current, such as motors and compressors. Last but not least is the remote sensing function. In the factories or laboratories, there is often a certain distance between the power supply and the loads. This function compensates the voltage drop caused by the cable length, so the users can avoid the inconvenience of adjusting the voltage. Users can choose the optional function based on requirements to achieve the advanced program setting. Preen's AFV series, high-power programmable AC power source, features high stability and high output power. It can also simulate a wide range of standard and abnormal power conditions. AFV series is not only suitable for compliance tests, but also eligible for the quality assurance of production lines and automatic testing solutions. Therefore, AFV series can cover applications for home appliance, motor, medical industry, EV, lighting, etc. Our power source is CE certificated, ensures the safety of electromagnetic compatibility, offering top-quality solution. Thank you for watching the new AFV series introduction video. For more information, please visit Preen's official website.